Welcome to 10410 53rd here in Kirkland. I can't wait to show you my top 3 favorite things with this brand new listing. Let's go take a look. Okay, so my first favorite part of this home is the fact that it's a reverse floor plan. The well-known architect designed it this way to take full advantage of the water views. But look at this kitchen here. Waterfall quartz, Wolf appliances, 2 dishwashers. This home is absolutely loaded. The floor plan here takes full advantage of the water views with the living room, floor-to-ceiling gas fireplace, and then right next to off that is the dining room, complete with a wet bar, a credenza, everything you need for hosting the holidays and those big dinner parties. My second favorite part of this home is the primary bathroom. Just look at this, it's truly like a spa. You have a heated towel warmer, vanity mirror, freestanding tub, and then an amazing steam shower. My third favorite part of this home is all of the outdoor living spaces. From the private gas fireplace here to the covered decks, this home really has it all and captures every view vantage. Now I know I said 3 things, but I gotta show you the 4th. This outdoor living space is incredible. You're heated by Infratech heaters. You can use this all season long.